right, so the next one in string operations is this one, number of occurrences. Okay, so let's tbox set bugger. There it is. And the first one, we'll call it log data. These are real world examples, okay? And then we're going to pull out error count. And then on error count, we're going to do a verify. Right. Now on the log data, let's just say it's like info start semicolon error 404 old faithful info, and we're just going to say continue, just make up some stuff, okay? Then error 404 semicolon info colon end. I got all the case wrong. I must have the capitals turned on. So with error count, right? I'm not going to type in that bloody thing again. So we copy that, and then here we say the square brackets, little brackets, roundy ones. So there's number of occurrences. It searches for a specific pattern in a text and returns a number of matching results. Okay. Pattern. You can ignore case. That's kind of cool, huh? It doesn't tell you where you use ignore case though. Oh, there is an example right at the end. So number of occurrences, weekend, searching for E, ignore case. We're working with that buffer. And the buffer we're playing around with is log. We haven't run it, so it's not in the autocomplete. The autocomplete doesn't know about it. I really need to make this this text a bit bigger. I'm actually finding it hard to read it. We'll do error 404, right? Now don't forget, I got the case wrong when I typed it in there. And we're looking for error 404. There it is there, and there it is there. But I'm looking for capitals, okay? Now if I say I'm looking for two of them, let's see what happens. I don't like the test case name. Change that. Is that a good idea to change that? I'm not sure. I think it is. Okay, it failed. I expect it to fail. Error count is 0. Let's see if we turn on the old, what was it? Oh shite. I've actually forgotten what the syntax was. So let's go back, and we typed it in there. So it's ignore case in square brackets. Jesus, now wouldn't it be great if you could just highlight that stuff? Like if I could, I'd love to be able to just copy and paste that. Square brackets ignore case, but I can't. Okay. I think we need it in here. IGNORECASE. Square brackets. Ignore case. See what happens, right? Oh, you little bastard. Expression provided in step buffer name could not be parsed due to the following syntax error. Unexpected end of value token. Hang on. Gonna have to look at the ignore case. You know what's really weird is that the syntax highlighting is okay with it. Oh, sorry, maybe it's probably barfing on this. We can do an L disable, but you make sure you never leave disables in your code. So I'll go full size. So log data was set to that garbage string, okay, with the caps all wrong. We said we're looking for 2, and then it found it. So voila. Job done, guys. That's how number of occurrences works, okay? Alright, cheerio. I'll put up the QR code if you want to buy me a coffee, because I really appreciate you supporting me. And I'll put up a QR code for the Telegram chat group. We've got nearly 3,000 Tosca users in one place, and everybody helps everybody else out. It's really great. If you do come in looking for help, make sure you read the mandatory message. Raise a help request in there as if you're raising a defect with a developer who's quite happy to take your head off. Problem description, screenshots of what you tried with the minimum number of steps to reproduce the issue, and a screen grab of the error, or the text of the error, okay? Because people on the other side of the world, when they're trying to help you, they're not interested in someone just like saying, oh, I did something and it didn't work. You'll just get bounced out of that room, and I happily get rid of people who are lazy. All right, rant over. QR codes should be on screen already. Bye bye.